All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India is reportedly on the brink of significantly bolstering its nuclear capabilities with the impending test and deployment of the Agni-6 Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, ICBM, according to a report by the Federation of American Scientists. This advanced missile system, expected to be operational by 2027, represents a major leap forward in India's strategic deterrence. The Agni-6 is a solid-fueled, multi-stage missile designed to carry up to 10 nuclear or thermonuclear warheads. Its multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle, MIRV, and maneuverable re-entry vehicle, MARV, capabilities, coupled with decoy and chaff deployment, make it a formidable challenge to intercept. This enhanced accuracy and evasiveness significantly increase its strategic value. Beyond its nuclear role, the Agni-6, with a potential gross weight of 70 tons, can also launch military satellites into low Earth orbit. This fractional orbital bombardment system, FORBS, capability provides India with additional strategic options and flexibility in its defense posture. The development of the Agni-6 aligns with the recommendations of prominent strategic experts like Bharat Karnad, Brahma Chelani, and Rakesh Krishnan Sinha, who have long advocated for a robust ICBM force to enhance India's global strike capabilities. While the DRDO chief has previously denied the existence of the Agni-6 program, reports of its development persist both domestically and internationally. The upcoming full-range test, exceeding 9,000 kilometers, is likely to draw considerable attention, particularly from Western media. To mitigate potential diplomatic repercussions, it is speculated that India may officially declare a range of up to 9,000 kilometers while conducting the test with a super heavy warhead. This strategy would effectively showcase the missile's capabilities without directly escalating tensions with other nuclear powers. The Agni-6 induction into India's strategic forces by 2027 will mark a significant milestone in the country's defense modernization efforts. It will not only strengthen India's nuclear deterrence but also enhance its position in the evolving global strategic landscape.